My name's Ed Spur, and I'd like to introduce you to Members by Interest, an application for submission to the Congressional Data Competition. Members of Congress vary in a lot of ways, but one really important difference is that each member has their own set of personal interests they bring to their work. A good way to find these interests, both for students of Congress as well as citizens who are concerned with a particular issue, is to examine the types of bills that an individual member sponsors and co-sponsors. Now, analysts from the Congressional Research Service look at each bill and resolution that gets introduced to Congress and assigns them terms using controlled vocabulary. In this case, the policy area vocabulary. If we look at how many times members sponsor or co-sponsor a bill in one of these areas, we can rank them accordingly. By the same token, we can use that same data and use it to view how the bills an individual member sponsors and co-sponsors are distributed among the different policy areas. So in this case, we can actually look at an individual member and see how that data gets graphed. The curves may look similar, but the individual types of bills that each individual member sponsors and co-sponsors are a little bit different. Now, all of the data behind these rankings and charts comes from files downloaded using the FDsys system at the Congressional Printing Office, and the scripts used to analyze them can be found as part of the submission. Again, this is Members by Interest. Thanks for watching.